Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the new smartphone from Tecno in India, the Tecno Camon I. So Tecno Camon I is a new budget offering with a full view display 18:9 aspect ratio, and Tecno as a brand is relatively new to India. It has been launched last year, and they had a couple of devices launched last year. Now Tecno is launching their first device with full view display, and it has an 18:9 aspect ratio display and a 5.65 inches screen size. And this device has quite good specification as well. It's priced 8,999. It will be available offline as well. So this is a device which will be available offline. So this is the box packing. So this won't be the retail box. So this is probably the reviewer's box. So you can see the mention of Magic with Camon. So this device does boast of good cameras. It has a 13 and 13 megapixel front and rear camera. So this is the box pack. You can see this is the actual retail box pack, and let's just keep this aside. So this is the actual retail box, and you can see this is the Camon I Infinity display, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and you can see some other specifications mentioned here. So here 100 days replacement is promised here, one-time screen replacement, and 1 month extended warranty is promised. So these are the things promised by the company. And here we have the specifications: 5.65 inch full view HD plus resolution display, 13 megapixel front facing camera with screen flash and LED flash, so both are included, and it has a f-stop 2.0 aperture, and we also have a back camera which is 13 megapixel back camera, again with a quad flash. So there is this 4 flash included, 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, Corning Gorilla Glass protection, 4G LTE, 3050 mAh battery, fingerprint sensor, and the device is priced 8,999. So this device is powered by the 1.3 GHz MediaTek MT6737 quad-core chipset. It has Android 7.0 out of the box, and we have all the sensors included: G sensor, ambient light sensor, proximity sensor, and fingerprint sensor is included. So it also has expandable storage option. So that's the device. Now let's open this box and see the device. So now let's open this. So this device has VoLTE and VI-LTE. So video is also included along with voice over LTE. So that's quite good. So this is the device. So Camon I from Tecno, that's the device. So this looks quite good. It's a quite a small device, even though it has 5.65 inch screen size. It has the 18:9 display. So let's just peel off this, and we have a protection film included. Let's just peel off this back panel. So this has the quad flash. So you can see 4 flashes mounted, and that's a quad flash, 13 megapixel camera, again f-stop 2.0. that's a really good thing. Fingerprint scanner, Tecno logo, and we have the 3.5mm audio jack at the top. At the bottom houses the micro USB charging slot and the speaker unit. The right side houses the power and volume keys, and the left side houses the SIM tray. So the device looks definitely good. Now let's boot the device, and in the meantime let's see what else comes inside the box. So just opening up the box, you get to see another box which has probably a case included. Yes, there's a case included. We also have a SIM ejector pin included. Then we have the user manual, and warranty information is included. That's the warranty information, and there is a good silicone case included. Then you get the power adapter, so 5 volt 1.2 amperes, so that's the output. Then you also get an earphone included in the box pack. This looks quite good in terms of the build quality. We also get an additional earbud included with this, and finally we have the USB cable. So this is the data syncing and charging cable. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So there you go, that's the Camon I with Android 7.0 out of the box. So you get a custom UI here. So it's not the stock Android, and this is called HiOS. So that's the one which is provided by Camon, I mean Tecno, for Camon I. So you can see it's a customized notification sender and quick toggle. So let's go to the settings. So you get to see the basic options. So you can see here this is the UI, and some power saving management is included, micro intelligence. So there is a micro intelligence option. So you can see a quick start, double click to broadcast, music gesture, flip to mute, 3-finger screenshot, cover silence, so some options are included. About phone, let's see, Android 7.0 out of the box, Tecno Camon i, iOS version 3.2 is the software, that's the custom UI of this device. So this device comes with 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. So this is the options, and let's have a look at the camera. So this is one of the highlights of this device. Tecno is highlighting the camera as one of the important aspects. It has 13 and 13 megapixel rear camera. It's f-stop 2.0 aperture. So let's see some of the samples. So here we have a video mode, a beauty mode, panorama, and some filters are also included. So that's something good. And here let's go to the settings. We have this option of watermarking, and let's just swipe here. So this is the beauty mode included. So this is the video recording, and we get to see, let's go to settings. So it supports 720p recording, so that's the maximum supported. That's probably the restriction is probably because of the quad core 6737, which has the maximum recording at 720p. So let's also go to the settings here. So the picture size is 4:3 and 13 megapixel. So here are some of the samples which we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we will be coming up with a detailed camera review later, so stay tuned for that. So these are some samples which we took after we unboxed the device. So the device comes with both a 13 megapixel rear and 13 megapixel front camera, and it's f-stop 2.0 aperture, and the rear camera has a quad lens that's first of its kind in this budget segment. So that was a quick unboxing and hands-on with the Tecno Camon i, which is the latest budget offering below the 10K price point in India, with full view display, 18:9 aspect ratio, and 3GB RAM and 32GB storage, and it looks actually quite good in terms of the hardware offered. So we'll be also be doing the detailed review of this device later on, so stay tuned for that video as well. So if you plan to buy this device, this is available in offline stores across India. So Tecno has partnered with a lot of stores across India, and they will be offering this device in different states in India. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.